Now, if you want to do this with your, let me show you what I'm saying. Now, if you want to do this, then wait. Now, so this is the Skool 101 course. Here, I will be sharing. This is basically for the beginners. We have we had a lot of messages. People were saying the platform is new for them and they don't know how to use it. So this course will help you um, know the platform and use the MSN community at best. Yeah, so in this course, you will have 2 to 3 minutes of videos, each explaining some feature. Let's say how you can make posts, how you can level up, how you can get more points. So that stuff. Now, see you in the course.